you ever had a situation where you desperately need a tool or equipment in a certain place, but what you have is in another place? If you have, then this module will help you understand why the just-in-time system seeks to make the switch to more flexible machinery. Let's jump in. In a traditional manufacturing environment, you want the biggest, baddest, fastest, and most reliable machines you can get. And you want this in just-in-time too. The difference is that equipment used in batch and lot production is generally different from equipment used in a just-in-time environment. For example, in many traditional organizations, desktops are set up for employees to use in their respective departments. These desktops, while helpful and much more efficient than paper and pencil, are not as flexible as a laptop or iPad is when an employee needs to go to the Gemba. Engineers, for example, frequently collect data and information. This could be much more efficient when information can be accessed right at the point of analysis from tools like a phone, iPad, or laptop rather than documenting information on paper and taking it back to your desk to enter into a system. Manufacturing environments, for example, may be able to use smaller machines, which gives them more ability to move items around, lower maintenance costs, and train more people to use the machines. When companies lower batch sizes, they not only improve quality and efficiency, they also use less space, which means they have more room for value-adding activities. Also, smaller machines that don't run for hours at a time, making lots of parts, are easier to monitor. One of the greatest benefits of smaller and more flexible machines is that strategies like total quality maintenance are much easier to implement, and maintenance costs are much lower. As you can see, flexible machines can benefit a company in many different ways. You don't always have to have the biggest, baddest, and fastest machine on the market. Just-in-time seeks to implement machines and tools that are just the right size, run at right speed, and are easy to maintain, as well as being flexible and mobile. Now, this may be a new concept for you, so let's challenge the idea of creating flexibility. Find a tool, machine, or piece of equipment you use daily, and then share in the comments, upcoming assignments, or on a piece of paper how you would make that tool, machine, or piece of equipment more flexible or mobile. We look forward to hearing back from you right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.